Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best vegetable seeds is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring fresh, homegrown produce right into your living space. Hydroponic gardening is a fantastic method, especially indoors, where space and resources are often at a premium. Choosing the right seeds is the first step towards a successful harvest, and in this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to get started. Number 5. Gardener's Basics Heirloom Green Seed Pack of 5. This seed pack includes 5 popular salad greens. They are arugula, spinach, kale, buttercrunch lettuce, and romaine lettuce. You can enjoy a diverse and fresh salad from your own garden. The pack comes with 5 plant markers. They help you keep track of what you planted where. This makes gardening easier and more organized. The seeds are in high-quality packets, unlike competitors who use plastic bags. Each packet has planting and harvesting instructions. This packaging protects the seeds and ensures they stay fresh. This pack contains over 5,000 seeds, more than double the amount of competitors. It provides plenty of seeds for a bountiful harvest. You'll have an abundance of fresh greens. These seeds are proudly grown and produced in the USA. They are perfect for hydroponics, aquaponics, and both indoor and outdoor gardening. It's a great way to support local agriculture. These are heirloom seeds, so you can save them for future gardens. They are non-GMO, ensuring food security for your family. You can enjoy the taste of fresh, healthy greens. What we like. This pack offers a diverse selection of greens, perfect for any salad lover. The water-resistant packaging ensures the seeds stay fresh. If you are looking for a variety of fresh greens and want to support American-made products, you should consider this one. What people say. Looking healthy, so the seeds are fresh. They all sprouted within 4 days of planting. Using in a hydroponic system, the seeds began germinating in 1 day. Number 4. Sereniseed Organic Leafy Green Seeds Collection. Introducing the Sereniseed Organic Leafy Green Seeds Collection. This collection offers a variety of seeds for your garden. You can grow your own fresh and delicious salad greens. This pack includes 10 different varieties of leafy greens. These include romaine, spinach, kale, and more. It's a diverse selection to enhance your salads. These seeds are USDA certified organic by Oregon Tilth. This means they are grown without harmful pesticides. You can trust the quality and safety of these seeds. The seeds are 100% non-GMO and open-pollinated. This means you can save seeds from your harvest. It's a sustainable choice for your garden. Each packet comes with an easy-to-follow grow guide. The guide provides tips for successful planting and harvesting. It helps you every step of the way. Sereniseed guarantees the germination of these seeds. The germination rate and purity are tested before packing. If you have any issues, they will make it right. What we like. This collection is USDA certified organic, ensuring the highest quality. With 10 different varieties, it offers a wide range of flavors and textures. If you value organic produce and want a comprehensive selection, it is a great choice. What people say. The variety included in this collection is fantastic. What sets these seeds apart is their reliability and ease of cultivation. They also have their seed pods stuck to the tiny plant shoot, so maybe pre-soaking might help. Number 3. eSuperegrow Smart Hydroponic Garden Kit, 6200 LC. Introducing the eSuperegrow Smart Hydroponic Gardening System. This system is professionally designed for strong growth and superior harvests. It features a double-layer structure and a built-in water pump to enhance water circulation and oxygen levels, promoting faster and better plant growth. This updated indoor garden kit is smarter than ever. It offers 3 lighting timer settings and 2 brightness settings to cater to different plant needs. There are also 2 self-watering pump modes to accommodate various growth stages and temperatures. Unlike other small kits, this system can grow a variety of plants to different heights. It has 2 large planter sections with enough space for vegetables and fruiting plants. The grow stand extends up to 28 inches with a trellis to support taller plants like tomatoes and cucumbers. This hydroponic growing kit is easy to assemble and use, making it a great addition to any home. It's a fun and convenient way to grow fresh food indoors, even in your kitchen. It's also a great gift for gardening enthusiasts and a cool educational tool for children. eSuperegrow always offers quality products. The grow basin and holder are made of food-grade ABS material, ensuring safety and durability. The grow light is made of die-cast aluminum with excellent heat dissipation, and the submersible pumps have higher quality and longer lifespan. What we like? This system utilizes a smart design for optimal growth. It has an extendable height to accommodate various plants. If you want a complete hydroponic solution with advanced features and the ability to grow a variety of plants, then this is the one for you. What people say. The adjustable grow light and smart timer options are really convenient, and I love being able to switch the brightness depending on the plant stage. The trellis is a great addition. It's been perfect for my cherry tomatoes and peppers. The kit comes with everything except for the water and seeds. The water pump turns on/off automatically. The growing LED light is very bright. One good feature is that the light panel has 3-mode, always on, 16 hours on, and 12 hours on. Number 2. Assorted Non-GMO Vegetable Seeds Variety Pack. This variety pack offers a great selection of seeds. It includes a diverse range of vegetables perfect for any garden. The pack contains easy-to-grow seeds like cucumber, tomatoes, and more. They are suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. You can grow these vegetables in various settings, including patios, raised beds, and even balconies. It's perfect for any urban garden. Each seed bag has a QR code that links to an online growing guide. This helps you avoid mistakes and get a great harvest. The seeds are heirloom, open-pollinated, and non-GMO. This ensures you get healthy and tasty crops. The seeds are proudly grown and hand-packed in the USA. They are ideal for home gardening in any hardiness zone. What we like? This pack provides a great assortment of vegetables, perfect for a diverse garden. The seeds are suitable for various growing environments. If you are looking for a variety of vegetables and easy-to-follow instructions, this is a great choice. What people say. The seeds seemed healthy and grew well. I get a near 100% germination with Farmer Valley Seeds, would recommend their products. Number 1. Vegetable Seeds 10-pack, Non-GMO Heirloom Variety. This variety pack includes 10 different vegetable seeds. They are perfect for starting your own garden and growing fresh produce. You can enjoy a variety of vegetables right from your backyard. The pack includes a diverse selection of seeds, such as carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes. These seeds allow you to grow a wide range of delicious vegetables. They are perfect for any home garden. Each seed will provide quality, nutritious produce. You can grow them in your summer garden. You can also grow cool weather crops in a greenhouse during fall or winter. Vegetable gardening is key to a self-sufficient lifestyle. Homegrown fruits and vegetables are generally more flavorful and nutritious. You can store your harvest for long-term food supplies. These non-perishable seeds come with instructions for successful growing. Each package also has instructions for saving seeds after harvest. Getting started is simple for both beginner and experienced gardeners. We are committed to providing fresh, high-quality seeds. They are safe, non-hybrid, non-GMO heirloom seeds. They will remain viable for years if stored properly. What we like? This pack offers a wide variety of vegetables to start your own garden. It emphasizes sustainable living and provides instructions for successful growing. If you are looking to grow your own food and embrace a self-sufficient lifestyle, it is a great choice. What people say. It came with a nice selection of staples, tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, peppers, and more. The packaging was clear and organized, with each seed type labeled. I've planted most of them already, and the germination rate has been excellent. Almost every seed sprouted within a week or two. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.